Hello out there. Happy New Year to all the Chinese that celebrate this coming festive season for coming week, which is going to be on the 16th up to the 20th in the month of February 2015. This is Dawong here bringing you on the weekly FCPO videocast hosted by the Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. And I am one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in bursamarketplace.com. Alright, this week we're going to see lesser volatility and market movement as the FCPO market will be going through a long holiday seasons, and we expect less trading activities will occur in the market. Alright, on last Friday we have the February month expiring, alright, and the active month will be rolled over to the March delivery month on this coming Monday, 16th of February. So we are going to have the active month moving from March, April, and May, which is going to be May actively traded, and the calendar spread will be also moving to the active month of May over June and June over July. Alright, for this coming Monday, what is going to happen, stay tuned with us. And on last Friday closing price as shown here is a 2293, which is 2,293 ringgit per ton in the CPO prices trading in Busan, Malaysia. Alright, if you look at the day chart here, we can see that the market is actually now hovering on this EMA 200 averaging line, and the market is pretty neutral. Alright, however, how we're going to gauge on the market movement for this coming week or even the week after will depend on the crossing of the EMA 4 and 20 that you can see here in the chart. Well, let me hopefully can show you on better and more visual colored line like green and blue in order for you to see better. Alright, well, this is the crossing of the EMA 4 and 20, which has not been done yet, unless if it crosses up or crosses down. That will signify a new trend for this coming week, alright, which is trading actively in May. Alright, from the day chart, let us take a look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, 4-hour chart, the market is pretty neutral here after it fell off on the top at 2356 on last week. Alright, and unless the market happens to come down here and break down again below 2280 on this coming week with a crossing of EMA 4 and 20, then we should be expecting the bear market to go all the way down to this level of 2230, which is 2,230 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices. And from the 4-hour chart, let us move in one step closer to the hourly chart, as you can see here. Okay, hourly chart also showing the market is pretty neutral with the EMA 4 and 20 line converging. Alright, it can go into either way, but if it comes down here and cut below 2260, then we assume the whole market will be turning down in the bear trend again. But anyway, there's a small little news here to share with all of you. The Malaysian government has announced to remove on the zero tax export duty on the FCPO being sold from Malaysia's soil very soon, which is going to start maybe as fast as from the month of March. Alright, so next week the government will announce on the new export duty tax, and we expect this may actually put the prices down a little bit on the downside, as more seller could be coming into the market. Alright, so from the day chart, let us take a look again on the weekly chart. Alright, as you can see, weekly chart has been pretty strong here, which was shown on last week, and the top side was about 2350, and the market was showing a little bit on the bear pattern with an engulf pattern. So this week, alright, if it moves down, then we expect this bottom here 2250 should be the first support that coincides with what we saw just now in the 4-hourly chart and the 30-minute chart. Alright, and the monthly chart as well, we couldn't see much, alright, as what we show here. So let us go back to the 4-hour chart, which is 230 minutes, and then again, just to repeat again, the immediate resistance will be seen here on the top side around 2320 this week. Alright, ultimately if it goes up higher with 2350 or 2360, but if it goes down, then 2240 it should be the first support that we are expecting. So in overall, FCPO prices this week, we're expecting a small little range to be traded as we are moving into a long holiday season and a long weekend in the Chinese New Year. Alright, so we're gonna expect like a small range trading, which the range could be moving on the top side 2,320, which is 2320, and going downside to about 2250 or 2260. So trade well this week and protect your profit if you can, because we see not much activity will occur in the market. Alright, after the new year, if you are interested to open a new account with Oriental Pacific Futures, do not hesitate. Call this number 603-2181-8848 and look for Ryan Chua. Alright, Ryan Chua, and remember the code Dawong here in order to get a special commission below the board rate. And if you have interest to subscribe or get a trial lock-in on the DZH next fuel charting and real-time data, as you can see here, you can email to jc@pwforex.com. State your name, handphone, and email while we'll get back to you. Last but not least, this is Dawong here again, one of your favorite market opinion leaders representing Oriental Pacific Futures based in bursamarketplace.com. Trade well and enjoy your long weekend, long holiday coming in the Chinese New Year. Once again, Happy Chinese New Year and in the Chinese lunar year of the goat. And I wish all of you have abundance, wealth, and happiness for this coming year, 2015. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.